Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you different patterns on the Rubik's Cube. So, pattern number 1 is the checkerboard. How you do this is you slice 2 down through the middle, then slice 2 down through the side, and then slice 3 down to the middle. So, you get this pattern. Now to undo this, you slice 2 down through the middle, 2 down through the side, and 2 down through the middle. Pattern number 2, different coloured centres, aka the flower. So how you do this is you slice 1 through the middle, then you slice to the side, slice up and slice the other way. Now you have different centres. Now to undo this, you slice through the sides, slice through the middle, slice through the sides, and slice through the middle again. So here's the solved. Now, the third and final pattern I'm going to teach you is the zip. So there'll be 3 different colours diagonally across the Rubik's Cube. So how you do this is you turn 1 up, 1 down, side and other side. Up, down, side and other side. Up, down, side and other side. Then you end up with this pattern. Now to undo this, you do the exact opposite. So you do side, side, so basically the reverse. And here we go. We've got a solved Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe.